Hi. Usually, whenever we teach maths, we teach this is the rule, here are some problems, solve the problems using the rule, and then there will be a test or the exam. And the students who are good at solving problems, they generally score, and the students who are not good at problems, either they don't score or they score, but they generally don't find it very interesting to do mathematics. So what I'm going to be bringing is that there are several learning styles of students in a class. We need to pepper our maths curriculum with several strategies which come from different learning styles of the students or adults. And the entire framework is Howard Gardner's multiple intelligences, and these are mathematical intelligence, which is not, by the way, cramming a rule and solving a problem. It's going deeper into the rule. There is interpersonal intelligence, working together, intrapersonal intelligence, working separately or working alone, naturalist intelligence, working in natural surroundings or using nature, verbal intelligence, students who love to talk, musical intelligence, students who love rhythm and music, and they are the ones who are always tapping when any music is around, or they are generally doing some kind of a jig. That's musical intelligence. Kinesthetic intelligence, where they like something hands-on, where they need to measure, they need to hold something. And spatial intelligence, which is using pictures in order to learn something. So for example, if I'm teaching, let's say, decimal, all 4 operations, I would ask students to, in the whole chapter, maybe have one activity where students are writing a story in which operations of decimals comes. Along with that story, I may ask them to draw some pictures. So I have used language as well as visual intelligence to emphasize the concept. I may take them outside, and that can be simply being with nature and working. But I may take them outside. I may also ask them to measure some things, where the answer will definitely come in decimal. So I have used nature, and I have also used hands-on learning, which is kinesthetic intelligence. I get them into group and work together, interpersonal. I get them to sit separate, solve the problems, or write a journal, or be reflective. That's intrapersonal. I ask them to think beyond the rules of decimal, and that's logical mathematical intelligence. And I take, let's say, all the words involved in decimal and ask them to write a song on it, a rap song on it, and dance with it, set it to music, and that's rhythm and musical intelligence. So this is how the entire maths curriculum can be peppered with multiple intelligences. You can use all in one chapter. You can use different in different chapters. You can have your whole year and decide, I'm going to do at least 20 activities the whole year coming from different intelligences. There is so much that can be done in it, and it makes maths classes alive with so much of joy, humor, fun. And when we are having fun, we always learn. And when we learn, we score. So there is no way that any student would be left behind in maths classes if we respect the fact that there are multiple intelligences around. Thank you from Monica Kocher, Humane Maths.